Hello, welcome back to our YouTube video channel. I'm Ken Omolo, and today I want to show you guys how to deposit money to your Olimtrade account via Neteller. Okay, so if you already have an Olimtrade account, that is good. If you don't, go ahead and create one on the description of this video. For those who don't have Neteller accounts and you need to deposit money via Neteller, I'll also leave a link on the description of this video. So just go ahead and create your Neteller account. If you've done all that and you are already logged into your Olimtrade account, just go ahead and click on the deposit button on the top right corner. Choose the mode of payment, which is Neteller. For the purpose of this tutorial, we just want to make a deposit of $10. So I'll change that to $10 again and proceed. So Olimtrade will prompt you to key in your Neteller email address. Mine is this. See that we've made a deposit of $10 to Olimtrade via Neteller. Yeah. So if you scroll more, you'll notice that we've almost all the payment methods on Olimtrade work. We've tried the Neteller deposit option; it has worked. We've tried Bitcoin; it worked. We've tried Perfect Money. We've used bank cards, all of them. That is Visa, Mastercard, and all that. We've tried M-Pesa. We've tried Skrill. and it works for both deposits and withdrawals. Okay, so our next video will be about how to withdraw money from your Netel account to M-Pesa. So watch out for that next video. It will come out probably tomorrow at the same time. If you haven't already subscribed to this channel, go ahead and click on that subscription button. Share our videos with your friends, and make sure you comment about the next video that you want to see on our channel. Okay, until next time, bye bye. I'm Ken Omolo.